welcome back to my channel. I'm Valentina in case you're new here, and today I'm gonna teach you everything that you need to know about eyebrows. I would normally go to a place and have my eyebrows thread. That used to be my favorite way to shape my eyebrows, and I just think they have this perfect way to shape your eyebrows every time. But of course, with everything that's happening, that's just not an option anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shape your eyebrows first at home by yourself, how I've been doing it, and I really have a feeling that I'm going to stick to this method from now on. And I am also going to show you how to do eyebrows with makeup to make them look natural but bushy, and how to comb them and set them so they last every second of the day, and all that good stuff. If this is something that you want to learn, then keep on watching. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're going to start with this eyebrow first. And what I've been doing to shape my eyebrows now that I can't go to the thread salon is using tweezers, old school tweezers, and they've worked wonders for me. I'm not gonna lie, it hurts, but it is worth it. So what I've been finding that works for me is start by brushing my eyebrows the way that I want them to be in the end. So I'm going to start by using this clear soap. This is pear soap, activated with a little bit of setting spray. And I'm going to use a spoolie. Any spoolie would do. Just take a little bit of that soap with the spoolie and brush your eyebrows. So I like to do it upwards. And as you can see, I have very long hairs. And I like that, but if you don't like that, you can trim that in the end, but I will talk about that later. So I first comb everything upwards. This is a great way also to make your eyebrows look thicker. And then, now that everything is up, I'm going to start combing them a little bit diagonal, more like the natural way they grow. And then just with the tip of the spoolie, I'm going to take down those hairs, like the tip of the hairs, so they don't look crazy. And that way I'm going to get the shape that I want my eyebrow to be at the end. So if I was going to do my eyebrows every day, this is how they would look like in the end, like after I brush them. So this is the shape that I want to maintain. Now that I have them brushed, I know I took a little bit of the makeup off, that's okay. And just take your tweezers and find all of the hairs that don't belong to that and just twist them. This does take a lot of time. At least the first time I did it, it took me a lot of time to know which ones I wanted to twist and which ones I didn't. Having my eyebrow already combed without any makeup is going to let me see the final shape, but it's not going to make it look too dark, so I don't think there's more hair than it is. So just take your tweezers and start tweezing all of the hairs that don't belong. And same in the top. And there it is, there you have it. That's all you need to do to just shape your eyebrows at home. It's going to take time and it's going to take practice to be comfortable doing it, but to be honest, this has become my favorite way to do it, and I don't think I'm going back to threading. Now I'm going to show you how to do makeup in your eyebrows. There is a ton of methods to do your eyebrows, and today I'm going to show you one that I've been just loving, and it's very simple. My favorite product has been the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint. It's this one over here. It looks like it has a little bit of powder in this end, but I don't use that. I only use the little pen that comes in here. So when you're going to do your eyebrow makeup, you want to start fresh. Don't have any soap here, any product. So I am going to comb it upwards to see the shape that I want, but I still haven't put any product in. And I'm just going in with the brush very thin, so this doesn't have a lot of pigment to it and it's very easy to fix. So I'm going to just do hair strokes. You see, like the way my actual hairs grow. Like little hairs. And I'm going to try to do it only where I feel that I need extra help. like this area is a little bit sparse, but I'm not shading everything, I'm just doing hair strokes. Okay, I have done that. Now I'm going to brush all my eyebrow downwards. I know this looks funny. And I'm going to do the same, but this time going from the top, just filling where needed. And you can also do this with other products like little pots, the Deep Brow from Anastasia, things like that. Just use a very thin brush like this, and you only have to do little hair strokes. See? Now brush it back up. And see if you need to use a little bit more. I feel like the only place that I need a little bit extra in this eyebrow is maybe a tiny bit here and in the end of the brow. And that is it. Now we're going to use the soap. Same way, you're going to activate it with water or with a setting spray, whatever you want. You're going to take a little bit in the brush and just take a little bit. You don't really need a lot of this, especially if you use the same one every time. You want to make sure you clean it every once in a while. We're going to brush that eyebrow to the shape that we want. And you want to let it dry for a little bit at least. I'm going to do the other eyebrow. This one is going to look different because we already have the soap on, but I'm going to try to do it the most similar. And finally, I've been using one of these gels. This is the Gimme Brow from Benefit. This is in the shade 3. And I use this in the areas where I don't have a lot of hairs, and I put the pen. I don't know if you can see, but it looks a little bit more grayish than the rest of the eyebrow. So I want to put a little bit of this on top of those hairs. This is the way that I've been doing my eyebrows at home. I hope you like it. I hope it works for you. Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to check my Instagram at valentinaarjonag. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!